Complete support for healthy and beautiful teeth and gums. 01. DentaSmile Pro contains a proprietary formula consisting of a group of 8 essential powerful antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and herbs, scientifically proven for maximum results and potency. 02. Each key ingredient was carefully researched and chosen to provide holistic support for maximum oral health well-being. 03. This unique formula is designed to address multiple factors necessary to support lasting dental health. DentaSmile Pro. Jason M. I'm no longer scared of public embarrassment. I always was embarrassed by my teeth. Not anymore. Don't even think twice about this. Just get it, because when you do, you'll finally be proud of your smile 100%. Clarice H. Just incredible. Absolutely like nothing I've ever tried. The results were more than surprising. My teeth have never felt better. And it's super affordable. Renata S. My smile looks great again. I wasn't sure if I really needed this at first, but let me tell you, after using it, I can say it is absolutely essential. Great results in almost no time. Special DentaSmile Pro offer. If you act right away, and complete your order in the next 5 minutes, you will receive an exclusive one-time offer. How would you like to further support your dental health, gums, and breath and get even more powerful results, not just on the outside, but also from the inside? You will also get the DentaSmile Pro Elite KIT upgrade. The all-in-one essential kit designed to improve and boost your oral health and keep your smile superb for years. With the Elite KIT upgrade, you will receive the following exclusive fast action bonuses and benefits. Bonus number 1, perfect teeth for a lifetime. Retail value, $97, yours free. This exclusive guide reveals the top secrets from celebrity dentists on how to keep your teeth dazzling and healthy, no matter your diet or lifestyle. Bonus number 2, the complete tooth pain and tooth care mastery. Retail value, $87, yours free. Gain practical insights on managing tooth pain and improving your dental care with this comprehensive guide. Bonus number 3, teeth whitening, the ultimate guide. Retail value, $140, yours free. Discover the best tips and procedures for a brighter smile, all compiled in this easy-to-follow guide. Bonus number 4, conquer all your dental fears today. 10 informative videos, $87, yours free. Overcome your dental fears and learn essential care techniques with this series of short, informative videos. Warning: DentaSmile Pro is not sold in stores or elsewhere online and never will be. They are only available for purchase on this page only. In fact, this is the very last time you'll ever be able to get them. Act now to fully protect your teeth and gums now and well into the future. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. If you are unhappy with the product, simply return it within 60 days of receiving it and we'll give you a full refund. It's that simple. We are confident it will work wonders for you, as it did for thousands of our satisfied customers. Even so, some people may take longer to respond to the protocol than others, depending on their current dental condition or additional health problems.